Hello and welcome to this video where we will be exploring the exciting career path of becoming an artificial intelligence engineer. As AI continues to transform industries and change the way we live and work, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals who can design, build and deploy intelligent systems. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to become an AI engineer, from mastering the fundamentals of math and programming to gaining hands-on experience with AI frameworks and tools. Whether you're a student considering a career in AI or a professional looking to transition into this field, this video will provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to becoming an AI engineer. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. Step 1. Get a solid foundation in math and programming. To become an AI engineer, you should have a strong background in mathematics, including calculus, linear algebra, and statistics. Additionally, you should be proficient in at least one programming language such as Python, Java, or C++. These skills will be essential for designing and implementing algorithms and models in AI. Step 2. Learn data structures and algorithms. A good understanding of data structures and algorithms is essential for designing efficient and effective AI systems. Data structures and algorithms provide a foundation for handling and processing large datasets, which is a critical aspect of building AI models. Step 3. Learn machine learning. Machine learning is the core of AI, and it involves teaching machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. You need to be familiar with different types of machine learning algorithms and techniques, including supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. You should also be able to choose the appropriate machine learning algorithm for a particular problem. Step 4. Gain experience with AI frameworks and tools. AI frameworks and tools are software libraries that enable you to build, train, and deploy AI models efficiently. Familiarize yourself with popular AI frameworks and tools such as TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. This will help you build robust AI models and systems. Step 5. Practice implementing AI models and systems. The best way to learn AI is by doing. Gain hands-on experience by implementing AI models and systems, and solving problems using machine learning techniques. You can work on personal projects or contribute to open-source AI projects to gain practical experience. Step 6. Stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and it's essential to stay updated with the latest advancements and trends. Follow relevant blogs, attend conferences, and join AI communities to stay up to date with the latest developments. Step 7. Earn relevant certifications. Earning relevant certifications such as the TensorFlow Developer Certificate or the AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty can demonstrate your expertise and help you stand out in the job market. Certifications can also provide a structured way to learn and reinforce your knowledge. Step 8. Pursue higher education. A bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, mathematics, or a related field can provide you with the theoretical knowledge and practical skills necessary for a career in AI engineering. A formal education can also help you build a strong network and gain access to career opportunities. Step 9. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your AI projects to showcase your skills and experience to potential employers. This portfolio should highlight your technical skills and demonstrate your ability to apply machine learning techniques to solve real-world problems. Step 10. Gain work experience. Finally, gain practical work experience in AI by interning or working in AI-related roles in the industry. Work experience can help you build your network, gain exposure to different AI applications, and further refine your technical skills. I hope this helps clarify the steps involved in becoming an AI engineer. And there you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to becoming an artificial intelligence engineer. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance on the skills and knowledge you need to acquire to succeed in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Remember, becoming an AI engineer is not just about learning the latest tools and techniques, but also about developing a passion for solving complex problems and creating innovative solutions that can have a positive impact on society. So, stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the limitless possibilities of AI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.